Bitcoin is now back to 29,000. Ethereum still trading under 2,000. I'm seeing some bearish signal from a very powerful data. Therefore, I think the upside for crypto market is quite limited. Stay tuned. I will share everything what I see in this video. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Trader. Every week, we'll provide our insight on the crypto market, share our experience, and share our trading opportunity. My mission is to help more retail traders to understand the market structure, and hopefully you guys can learn and profit from it. If any of the topic is of interest to you, I personally love to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. So let's dive right into the crypto market. Okay, this is a Bitcoin future chart. I recommend you guys to subscribe to TradingView Pro. I'm a pro client. You can see over here, I'm a pro client of TradingView. What are the benefits? If you are a pro client, you will get much more indicator, and especially this one here, which I'm going to explain right now, is the accumulation distribution line, which is the yellow line at the bottom. It tracks the distribution volume or accumulation volume. Currently is pointing downward and is very significant. And make sure you use the Bitcoin future, because the normal Bitcoin chart is from a one small exchange, so it trades over the counter. It's very different to the Bitcoin future chart, which trade in New York Stock Exchange. So I use that more to track the volumes. Okay, you can see when it's pointing downward on this distribution line, meaning there's more distribution, more selling, all right, stronger selling. One thing I want to point out through here is the higher low still on the daily, but through here at the exact points, distribution line is breaking multiple low, even lower than the previous higher low. So therefore, it's indicating much stronger selling than buying currently. Another indicator that you should pay attention to is this, just the standard volume line is going, it's no buying volume whatsoever. So therefore, it's looking quite weak, this current uptrend. Therefore, that's why I sold off last week at around 29,000. All right. Is my decision? Could it go higher? I think it's unlikely. Let me show you another very powerful data. Okay, this is from my good friend's website, marketmaker.com. It is showing something called commitment of trader, COT data. What does it do? It tracks the smart money. And let me explain. Currently, you can see green line is very simple. Green line is the buying contracts from commercial, which I call the smart money, is dropping. So the buying contract is dropping at the moment. And the red line is the short contract, selling contract. They are increasing. Therefore, there's not much money from the smart money. In fact, they're putting more money on the sell side on that. The bottom is called non-commercial. What are non-commercial? They are the speculator. You must heard on uptrend you buy, right? So they buy on the trend. However, they're not buying or selling. They're leaving the market, which is very unhealthy on the uptrend. Therefore, I think the upside is quite limited. Let's get back into the technical chart on Bitcoin and see what could potentially happen. Now, it is potentially the right shoulder back in there. You could look to be an aggressive seller if it dropped below this hanging man bar or inside bar below 28,900, something like that below here. So you could look to be a first aggressive seller. I will probably wait until this below 27 to be a seller back to maybe around here. So that's my plan short term, and then we'll see how it goes. Maybe turn into a buyer, slowly accumulating. All right, let's go to Ethereum and have a look. Again, I want you guys to have this on your watch list from TradingView. The code, the symbol is ETH1. is the Ethereum future, right? Why use future? Again, future is trading on the New York Stock Exchange, one exchange, better volume tracking. Again, you can see the distribution line is pointing downward, especially here when price had not break the previous swing low, but that is just broken lower on the distribution line. So, and again, volume is lack of volume, so I'm more bearish than bullish on Ethereum as well. How do I play this? I think wait until this break, all right, the 1700 area, but stay below, then yes, I probably will look to be a seller of Ethereum. When it's closer to the time, I will use market correlation, commitment of trader, technical analysis to enhance my investment probability, meaning that I will try and use everything that I know to buy and invest back in Ethereum and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency again. If you'd like to learn more, or if you'd like to know when I'm going to buy it, very simple. Join my Facebook community, because I'm much more active to produce daily update on there. It's very simple to join. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and check my link from the description. I will put that in the pinned comment as well for you guys to join. So that's all for me for the crypto market. If you'd like us to cover any other cryptocurrency, put a comment here. Otherwise, see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.